Hello and welcome back. So this is our final shape, okay? We're going to find the volume of a sphere, okay? So the first one, our formula is 4/3 pi times r cubed, okay? Remember, volume always has units cubed as whatever our units are. So centimeters cubed, inches cubed, feet cubed, yards cubed, whatever it is. So 4/3, so literally 4 divided by 3 times pi times r cubed. Okay, now I will show you how to type r cubed in the calculator, or remember r cubed is just r times r times r, okay? So our first example, an iron ball has a radius of 4 centimeters, so r equals 4 here. Find the volume. So r equals 4, I know the volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed, and since r is 4, I'm going to plug that in. Okay, now calculator time, so pay attention, okay? So remember, 4/3, I'm just going to do 4 divided by 3. Oops, I better turn the calculator on first. 4 divided by 3 times pi. Now if you want to use 3.14, that's fine. Times 4. Now usually you guys have been using the square button, but you need to find the caret key, okay? See this caret key? It's just a little arrow. You want to push the arrow and then the 3. Okay, so this is saying 4 divided by 3 times pi times 4 cubed. Okay, so this is how you find the cube of something. Or you can just type in 4 times 4 times 4, and that would also work. So this is going to be V equals 268.08. Now, if you like to use 3.14, okay, your answer would be about 267, okay? All right, the next one, the diameter of a sphere is 8.8 centimeters. What is the volume of the sphere? Okay, so again, I have my formula, V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, okay? What is the radius? Now, if you say 8.8, we're going to have an issue because 8.8 divided by 2 to find the radius, which hopefully you didn't actually need a calculator for, but it's inside. 4.4. So I'm going to plug and chug here. Okay. And again, I'll show you how I type it in the calculator just to refresh your memory. So 4 pi, or I'm sorry, I apologize, it's 4/3 pi. 4 divided by 3 pi times, now I'm going to put the 4.4 in parentheses just to be safe, but you don't have to in this case. Okay, is going to be approximately 356.8. Now again, if you've been typing in 3.14, I'll tell you what that is. So 356.6, so it's pretty close on these ones, okay? But the radius is pretty small. Now we're going to keep going. While on vacation, Gabe buys a sphere made of polished agate. The volume of the sphere is 65.42, and they want you to find the radius of the sphere, okay? So we're going backwards. Now remember, my formula is V equals 4/3 pi r cubed, right? Okay. Now, remember, I'm going to show you how to do this in the calculator, so just beware here. So volume is 65.42 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now I'm going to find out what 4/3 pi is. 4 divided by 3 times pi. We're going to say 4.2, okay? So I'm going to have 65.42 equals 4.2 r cubed. Now I need to get r by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 4.2. So I'm going to do 65.42 divided by 4.2 is 15.6. Now I have to take the cube root. So to get rid of a cube, remember when we got rid of a square, we square rooted? When you get rid of a cube, you cube root, okay? Now we haven't talked very much about cube rooting, so I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Now in your calculator, you're going to use the caret key again. So I'm going to do 15.6 caret key, parenthesis, because it's cube rooted, I do to the 1/3 power. Okay, so 1 divided by 3. So anytime you want to take a cube root, use your caret key, 1 divided by 3. Okay, so this might be something, a note you want to put on your cheat sheet, on your note card, okay? Cube root, caret key, parentheses, 1 divided by 3. Okay, and when I do that, I get 2.5 approximately. So I get 2.5 equals R. Okay, and this would be inches. Okay, and I'm sorry I didn't put my, this would be centimeters cubed. This one would also be centimeters cubed. Okay, you should always put the unit. Okay, let's practice this one more time, okay? So Natalie bought a sphere ball made of quartz at a garage sale. The volume of the ball is 1,450 cubic centimeters. What is the radius of the ball to the nearest centimeter? So we have V equals 4/3 pi R cubed. I'm going to plug in 1450. Okay, and I need to solve for R. Again, I need to do 4/3 pi. And that's going to be the same as what we got up here, which is 4.2. Okay, so you can retype it in the calculator every time if you need to. But since I know it's the same numbers, I can just keep that number in my head. I'm going to divide both sides by 4.2. So I'm going to get R cubed equals, so 1450 divided by 4.2 is 345.2. Okay. Now again, I want to take the cube root. So 345.2, caret key, parenthesis. You have to have that parenthesis, it's important. 1 divided by 3 end parenthesis. If you don't put the parenthesis, it's going to think that you're just raising it to the first power and then dividing it by 3, and that's a problem. Okay, so 7 approximately. So R equals 7 centimeters. Okay, so the radius is 7 centimeters approximately. Okay, so not too bad. Go ahead and do the worksheet, the sphere page, every one of them, volume. Okay, have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.